Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to read message on Viber without seeing. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Viber application, and then if you want to read some message without this person knowing, all you need to do is to, the first way how you can do this is to stay on this chat's main page, and after that you will see all the messages, all last messages in your chat, so you can actually stay in this page and wait until someone sent you a message. So the second way how you can do that is to close this Viber application. After that, you need to scroll down from the top right corner. Then you need to disable Wi-Fi and enable airplane mode. After that, you need to open your Viber application again. And then you need to open a chat you want to see, where you want to see message. So after that, you can close this chat, close Viber application, then enable mobile data or Wi-Fi, for example, and open Viber application again. So, and that's all, and that's how to read message on Viber without seeing. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.